back to Patiodreams. In today's video, I will be showing how to make this draped look clay earrings. So this is the most recent popular polymer clay earrings style, and I've been wanting to do a tutorial for this. So I recently made two earrings which is draped style, and I'm really excited to show you how to make them. So let's start. So let's start by choosing your favorite color of polymer clay and start conditioning it. So here, as you can see, I am using my first ever pasta machine. I recently bought my pasta machine, which is actually from Sculpy, so which is like affordable and also very useful for me. So yeah, I'm conditioning my clay through the pasta machine. If you don't have a pasta machine, you can use acrylic roller to condition and to knead your clay. So here, you need to prepare two types of clay sheet. One should be the base of your earrings, which means this clay sheet should have the minimum thickness to make our earrings. So that needs the minimum required thickness, and the other sheet should be the very thin, like a paper thickness clay sheet. It should be really thin. So either you can run it through the thinnest settings in your pasta machine, or you can use your acrylic roller to knead that super thin, just like a paper or fabric. And this thin sheet will be the face of your earrings, and the base will be the back of your earrings. So you don't have to choose the same color for both the sheets. You can use textured sheets or patterned sheets as the face. Now, place your thin sheet on the top of your base and use your fingers to make drapes. Just like this, very gently, and pat down the clay just like this, very lightly, to generate the ruffles like structure, like as you see in a fabric or silk. So use your fingers to make that movement and create the ruffles like structure. Just pat down the edges where the two sheets connect so that it will stays. You can either make really big ruffles or the small ruffles, just the way you like. So this is how you're gonna create the ruffles or the fabric silk look. So this is how you're gonna make your draped clay sheet. Now you can go ahead and cut out your favorite earrings shape and cut them out and bake them, and that's pretty much it. Now use your cutters to cut out your shapes. So here I'm using some round cutters and some of my favorite shapes, and I'm going to cut them out. So when you use your cutters, make sure you don't have any gaps on the edges of your cutter. Make sure you have the ruffles inside the cutter, then only it will look like you have that ruffled patterns on your earrings. So just make sure you have all the ruffles inside the cutters and cut them out completely to make your earrings. Now just literally peel off the skin, bring it up, and these are the shapes I made. So I can make quite a number of earrings with this clay sheet. So these are the clay shapes, earrings shapes. So this is my next sheet of draped clay earrings, like a neutral beige color earrings. For this one, I haven't used my pasta machine for this clay. Here I only used my acrylic roller to make this thin sheet. So it is also possible to make a thin sheet with acrylic roller. Now you can start baking your earrings. You can directly put this tile inside the oven, but since I have been working on another project, I'd like to take this off from this tile and smooth out the edges and transfer this to a baking sheet, and I'm going to bake them according to the package instructions. After you bake your earrings, for me it's 275 degrees for 40 minutes, and after that I turned off the oven and let this clay cools down completely inside the oven. This step is really important. After it's completely cools down, take them out of the oven and start assembling your earrings. I will show you how to assemble a simple pair of earrings using two circle-shaped cutters. So this is how I'm going to assemble them. I'm going to connect these two shapes using gem rings, and I'm going to add the earring post using Gorilla Glue. And this is how I'm going to show you how to make a simple earring, but you can use your imagination and creativity to create your own personal style of earrings. In order to connect two pieces of earrings, you need to drill holes. So you can either drill holes after baking, or you can poke a hole on the pieces before baking using a toothpick or a needle tool. For these pieces, I actually drilled holes after baking using a drill, but you can always poke a hole before baking for the easiness of jewelry making. And lastly, attach the earring post using any super glue or Gorilla Glue. Here I'm using Gorilla Glue to attach my earring post. And ta-da! You are done! Look how simple was that. Now you can create your own draping style earrings matching with your outfit in your own style, patterns and textures. I am super excited to see your own versions of this beautiful style earrings. I hope this was a super simple and useful tutorial for you all. If you find this tutorial helpful, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also leave your valuable comments to improve my videos. And until next time, toodles! Love you all!